Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Earth and go straight to the spot whose UTM zone you need. Create a place mark on that point so you can read its coordinates reliably. Make sure the coordinate display is set to decimal degrees if possible. You want a precise longitude value now because UTM zones are based on longitude. Once you have the longitude in decimal degrees, write it down or copy it into your calculator. We will use that number immediately to determine the zone. With the longitude in hand, compute the UTM zone using the simple formula. Zone equals the integer part of longitude plus 180 divided by 6, then add 1. For example, a longitude of minus 74. 006 results in zone floor, 105. 994/6 plus 1 equals 18. Make sure you use decimal degrees and include negative signs for west. Once done, check if the point lies in Norway or Svalbard latitudes, because those areas use special zone boundaries and need the adjusted rules. Now confirm the computed zone number and add the hemisphere. North if latitude is positive, south if negative. To complete the task, paste your lat/long and zone into a GIS tool or converter to obtain UTM easting and northing and verify the projection. If the output looks wrong, make sure you converted degrees/minutes/seconds to decimal correctly and that you didn't drop a negative sign on longitude. That single sign error is the most common cause of a misplaced UTM zone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.